Hi everyone, welcome back to my whole new video, and would like to thank you for being with me in this video as well. So first of all, let's start from the video. Just like basically what I did, basically what I'm going to share with you guys is basically what I did in the morning actually. In the not in the particular in the morning, in the morning, in the noon, in the evening, and also what I'm supposed to do in the night actually, or what I did from previous within the previous 1 hour, you can say 1.5 hours approximately. So okay, so first of all, let's start from the beginning. So yeah, basically today I woke up at near about, you can say, 5 a.m. in the morning, and after that what I did was, first of all, I just freshened up myself by drinking the warm water. Following, okay, and after drinking the warm water, what I did was basically I just freshened up myself, and after that I brushed my teeth, and after brushing up the teeth, basically I just boiled the eggs and finished those. And other thing is that after finishing up those, basically I some sort of did some sort of study actually. Yes, related to the quantum mechanics stuff, and the studies was related to this stuff only. The basically the book, you can say, that I mentioned in my at my home in the previous some of my previous videos actually. So this was the book that I read. Some basically some of the pages I read actually of this book, and yeah, the experience was, of course, the experience was quite an next level, because it is quite written by an next level author whose name is Norin Jetli, and at present what he is, let me tell you actually, I didn't know, to be honest, what at present he is doing. So oh fuck this shit. Yeah, so basically he is a professor at the Department of Physical and Earth Sciences at the Jacksonville State University, Jacksonville, USA. Okay, so these are the stuff that I would like to suggest to you guys to for the quantum mechanics stuff. If you guys are quietly interested in this quantum mechanics stuff, so I'm quietly basically I'm just heavily suggesting you to read this book actually at least once, because this will give you quite a whole new experience of the quantum mechanics, and the topics are also quite, you can say, amazing. So while reading this book, and what the stuff was there, especially I while reading the book, I just realized that basically in this book the discrimination of not discrimination, fuck this shit, the description about the origin of the quantum mechanics is quietly well explained, and also some of the other concepts, not actually some of the, actually various other concepts are solved in an easy language, you can say, and also the numerical problems are also quite good of this book actually. So yeah, I guess everyone should read this book if you are supposed to pursue or you can say proceed in quantum mechanics stuff. So okay, so after reading this stuff, what I did was, first of all, second of all actually, is that at near about, you can say, 7:15, basically I went for bath, and basically today I went for bath with the cold water actually, and to be honest, that water was not that much cold then as it was expected, because I don't know actually, I guess the might be the reason of the water for not being cold enough is just because the chef, he just basically filled the all of the tank actually with the, you can say, groundwater. So that was a quite an impressive part, and also while bathing the experience was quite a next level actually. Literally I'm saying that experience was quite next level, that in such a cold, and you are just basically bathing with the cold water. So yeah, the activeness with the actually with when you are bathing with the cold water, in a cold water actually, the physical activeness of your is quite increased to basically various some extent actually. So yeah, so basically this is good only, good stuff only actually. So yeah, so after bathing with that, I basically just got ready for the college, and today was the first day after the vacation. And yeah, and after getting ready, I basically went upstairs for finishing up my breakfast, and after finishing up the breakfast, I basically came back to my room, and basically I folded my blanket after that, after coming back to my room after finishing the breakfast actually. And so yeah, and today the issue was this, basically that the taxi didn't arrive actually, for which in which we were supposed to actually left our PG, left for university. So basically we were supposed to reach the university just by walking, but thank God to the car person actually, that he just gave us a lift actually, so to the till the university. And after that, the university basically to the block, we just basically covered the distance by walking. And after that, basically we were at the second position. This is not as actually sort of, you can say, race type, but yeah, basically we were in the class early, actually, you can say. So yeah, okay. So yeah, after reaching up that stuff in the college actually, our first period was of, however, not, let me basically start, tell you about the class today actually. So how the concentration of the students in the first period and second period was not quite enough, because I guess today is the first day also, and also there is some sort of, you can say, crowd gathering actually for the visit of, because the Haryana's CM, chief minister is supposed to visit in the nearby village actually. So yeah, so just for the gathering of the crowd, all of the buses were basically there. So I guess that might be the reason of the students for not attending today's class actually. Okay. So yeah, so basically today the first period was of classical mechanics, just like as usual stuff. And in that period, what our teacher taught us was, you can say, something. Yeah, actually the stuff she taught was quite nice actually. Basically, that doesn't getting. Basically, I'm not getting the reminder actually of what the stuff she taught us. But yeah, the stuff was actually good, and some sort of, you can say, with harmonic oscillator, the pendulum stuff, stuff was there, and quite the energy relation was also there. Okay, so yeah, basically yeah, about the orbit equation and stuff was also there actually. So yeah, so that was the stuff that our teacher taught us in our class in the first period actually. And after that, our second period was of semiconductor electronics, and today our teacher, basically Rakesh sir, was not there. So instead of him, our the PhD scholar was there, and she taught us about the field effect transistor and also about the JFET stuff actually. So yeah, so that was stuff. And yeah, actually that was quite an interesting part also, because they actually she taught us various things today actually. And yeah, that was impressive part also. So just like, first of all, when she came in our classroom, she just basically described the difference between the VJT and FET. And on the so that in the difference actually, she mentioned various points actually in the classroom. And yeah, actually I'm getting reminded of all those points at present, but I'm not supposed to tell you guys in this video, because if I will be telling to you, the time duration of this video will be quite large. So let's just skip this part actually. So yeah, so after that period, semiconductor period, our computational mathematics period was there, in which we were supposed to do the coding stuff. But the stuff is this, that our the coding stuff, the 10 programs that were the part of our syllabus actually. They got finished and yeah. Mm. So yeah, so basically the two periods were quite free actually for us, and after those two periods, basically, we basically I just finished my lunch with my classmates, and after finishing my lunch, actually we went to the that physics laboratory, and in the physics laboratory today we completed the MOSFET experiment, and in the MOSFET experiment we basically took the reading stuff actually, and yeah, and also various things that we did in the physics lab period actually, and yeah, so after that period what I did was basically I just went to the attend the GEC period, but where the GEC class was not there today actually. The class was there, the students were the, we can say, the concentration of the students was quite less, so due to which our teacher basically cancelled the class, but yeah, basically he just basically took the attendance of ours, so yeah, but he didn't taught us any new thing actually, so yeah, so this is the stuff, and after that on that GEC period basically I basically came back to my room in the PG, and after that I just finished, so basically just, and basically you can say took some sort of food intake basically just for finish basically. I'm not actually getting that word particular word for this stuff what I'm supposed to tell you guys, but yeah, basically I just ate some of the bananas, and after that also about the dates I basically I ate near 3 dates and 2 water chestnuts and 2 bananas, and also uh, that churma stuff was also there actually. Churma is an, you can say, Rajasthan's quite favorite stuff, quite favorite food you can say actually. So yeah, so these are the stuff, and after finishing those, basically I took a power nap of near about, you can say, half an hour or more, but yeah, not actually more actually, near about 15 to 20 minutes was the time that I took for that taking of the nap, and after finishing of the nap, basically our class was there of the classical mechanics, and where in that in the class our teacher basically ended the class because early actually. Our teacher ended the class early because some of the new students were creating, you can say, mess in the online class just by, you can say, sharing the memes actually in the live class with the name of the classroom students. So this was the stuff that I'm supposed to tell you. So just to get rid of this, basically the mood of the teacher was quite, you can say, fucked up. And after that, the thing is that yeah. So after that, our teacher basically canceled the class, and after cancelling of the class, basically I just went upstairs for finishing up my dinner, and after finishing up the dinner, actually, what I did actually, yeah, basically I did nothing. I just basically I'm just recording this stuff. Or you can say before recording this video, basically I basically just finished up my dinner, and after recording this stuff, what I will be doing is, first of all, I will be talking to my mom on the phone, and after that I will be finishing up my that practical stuff, and also will try to revise all the stuff that our teacher taught us today, and also revise some of the topics of the previous classes in the sense of the before vacations about our teacher taught actually. So yeah, because the thing is that tomorrow actually our whole 4 classes will be there, and if I will not be that completing on basically revising all the previous topics, tomorrow I'm supposed to get the adding stuff actually. So yeah, I will try to finish up those stuff as soon as possible, but let's see. However, the time duration is quite less for me for the tomorrow's classroom, tomorrow's class in the morning actually. So let's see what happens tomorrow, and the plan for tomorrow is to just like as usual stuff, just wake up early in the morning. However, I will not be able to quietly consider finishing up the eggs tomorrow because tomorrow is Tuesday, and as I mentioned in the previous videos, you can say previous video in the sense in the previous Saturday, or you can say previous Tuesday actually, that on Tuesday and on Saturday we doesn't boil eggs, and or you can say eat eggs because this is quite you can say this is actually it is quite known that this will be not good actually if you are quietly eating some non-veg stuff, non-veg or boiling eggs on Tuesday and Wednesday. So tomorrow I will not be able to that. So basically tomorrow I will not be able to eat those eggs actually. So okay, so yeah, okay, so let's finish this stuff, and thank you everyone once again. I'm just grateful to you guys for being with me in the consecutive. I guess today is the 71st day. Yes, basically today is the 71st day of recording all this stuff, and I'm quite blessed actually that you guys are quite being with me for the previous or the consecutive you can say 71 days. So thank you for being with me actually. So okay, so let's end this video actually. Bye everyone. We'll meet you tomorrow for sure, and yeah, is there anything else to tell you? There's nothing else. So okay, so bye everyone, goodbye, have a good night, and love you all. Bye. We'll meet you tomorrow for sure.